In phase 2 when he changes to void. Just misdirection.
Wait.
Pull.
Bloodlust.
Last on everything, guys.
Too close.
You're too close, guys. Go ahead, go back.
Can you come to start?
No.
Summit.
Yeah, I mean the other things. Okay, that's better.
One gold, you go back.
He's there, it's fine.
Just hug each other, guys. Yeah.
Jet move to tanks. If you get aggro, move to the back of the group. Freddy's getting missiles, okay. Well done.
The closest priest to us.
AoE first.
Wait for it.
Where is the trap, guys?
Vetalos, can you put wisdom up? Judgment.
Almost
Just too far away.
Just you,
Okay.
just.
Never mind.
Fine. It's fine. Just go there.
heal the missiles, guys, come on.
Second start.
Let me get someone up.
Yeah, pick up Icifat, please. Osam, Icifat. No. Drake, Vetalos, please, yeah?
Valdemir to the tanks.
Okay, prepare for AoE. Pick them up.
Got it.
Closest priest.
Reset to the tanks. Arcane missiles, watch out.
Keep it quiet.
Okay.
Your soul belongs to the abyss.
Last phase change, okay. Get ready.
You are hopelessly outmatched.
Frost traps, please.
Kill the priest in front of us. And the other one.
By the blood of a high lord.
Kill Wayne Gold. Kill them.
Kill the keep tank flag.
We're gonna take it.
Your soul belongs to
You
the
can step
abyss.
closer to them if you can reach.
Push it.
Push it, one more percent. Fear ward on exile.
Misdirection on exile.
On down.
Can't understand you.
I did.
Your Discord is very bad.
It's not true.
Finish.
The warmth of the sun.
That was nice.